What's going on YouTube? This is Technically T, and today you already know why we're here. I'm sure you already know why you clicked on this video. The Note 9 is in the house, man. I sped home from work, went to my leasing office, picked it up, then grabbed it, and here it is. And all the hypeness, man. I'm super hyped for this device if you can't tell. I had to get in front of the camera so you can see my excitement for it. You already know I run both iOS and Android, man. And if this thing is anything like the S9 Plus, which I know it is, and more, I am going to love this phone. And this may be the first phone that might pull me away from iOS as my main phone. Enough of this. I'm pretty sure you want to see what's up in this box. That's the reason you clicked on this video. So let's go ahead and get this camera equipment turned around, and let's go ahead and get into the box. All right, so we finally got everything set up here. So once again, you know, I did go with the 512 gigabyte version. Now, at first, I wasn't going to get it. It was way too much for me. But the thing about it is I got it more so for the RAM than the storage. I can really care less about the 512 gigabytes of storage because I'm not going to use half that. If they made a 128 gigabyte version with an 8 gigs of RAM, which I don't understand why Samsung just can't stop bouncing around the features, but whatever. 512 8 gig version. Of course, we did get that blue for that sexy gold S Pen. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Almost forgot how to get into the box. Man, you saw me over there on struggle mode, but as you see here, we get the usuals. We ain't really got to go through it. We already know the usual books and stuff that nobody's going to sit there and read. All right, let's tip it over real quick. You slide this SIM out the way, and here is the actual device itself. Feels very good already, man. I really cannot wait to get into it. But let's set that to the side. Go ahead and pop everything else out of the box. You know, you get your normal, your OTG cable. Now, I'm actually going to be using this because I'm going to be transferring all of my data from my S9 Plus over to my Note. I've never used the transfer feature before, but this is the first time I'm going to use it. You already know we get that fast charger adapter. Always got to have that. I probably won't even take it out of the box because I have tons of these sitting around. And getting into it, USB cord. And of course, we do have these AKG headphones. Now, if you have not heard these AKG headphones, I suggest you actually listen to them because they sound very, very good for included earbuds when it comes to a phone. So let's move all this to the side. You guys don't want to see none of this, man. So let's push all that to the side. Put this right here and let's take a look at the actual phone itself. Now, this is the first time it's going to be a fingerprint magnet after this, man. So let's go ahead and take it all off. See if we got another pull sticker here. All right, so there we go. The first time, last time, that's going to be actually fingerprint free. Let's go ahead and move this sticker off. Boom, there. Set it back on that box. But here is the Note 9, man. Looks absolutely very good. That blue color looks absolutely dope. I went blue on my S9 Plus as well. So I decided this year I'm going to flip it up and go ahead and get blue everywhere. If you want to hold it up to the Note 8, here is the Note 8 in comparison. Basically almost the same height. If you're looking at it like this and then you look at it like that, same exact height, except you do get that 0.1 of a difference when it comes to the screen real estate. As you see the different fingerprint placement as they came from the Note 8 to the Note 9. And this one, I'm telling you the truth, it felt pretty good because I had pretty big hands. But this one feels that much better. Feels natural for me because, like I said, I have big hands. So I really don't got to worry about the fingerprint placement like that. But let's go ahead and get this thing off, man. Note 8, it was been real, but we have fun with you. But let's go ahead and power this bad boy up right here. See how much juice we have. There we go. So we have some more plastic and everything on the bottom, but let's pull that S Pen out. God, this thing is super duper vibrant, man. I don't think the camera does any justice. It's actually a lot more gold than I thought it would be. This thing looks absolutely beautiful with that blue matching tip there. If I can let that light catch it the right way, that blue matching tip, man, that looks super duper good. And you already know this does have that Bluetooth functionality. That's the new feature for this year. So super dope. I can't wait to use this as a camera shutter button and all the other features. Now we're going to get heavy into the S Pen features and the new features that the Bluetooth functionality actually brings to the phone. But it looks excellent, man. Super dope. And I'm going to already tell you guys right now, no, you cannot put it in backwards. So don't try it. You can't put it in backwards. So don't really worry about that happening, man. But that yellow S Pen just made it all worth it with getting this blue Note 9. So I'm going to get everything transferred over to this phone. Like I said, I'm going to switch all of my information over from my S9 Plus. I just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing. I don't want to do a first impression because when you're downloading apps and everything like that, it takes a little bit too long. So I'm going to get all my apps downloaded up here, loaded up, all my apps, everything synced up, and use it for about a day. And I'm going to hit you guys with another first impressions video and how I feel about it coming from the Note 8 over to the Note 9. Is it worth it? Blah, blah, blah. You know, all of the usual things when getting a new device. We're actually going to get into it, talk about a little bit about that price tag to see if that is worth it as well. You already know we have tons and tons of case reviews. I'm actually about to get in here and shoot them right now. But like I said, I wanted to hit you real quick with this quick unboxing. So I'm about to cut this camera off, enjoy the phone for what it is, get this bad boy loaded up, and it's already talking. Get it loaded up and basically get into these case reviews, popping my SIM card out of my iPhone 10. So the SIM card is going out of my iPhone 10. You already know it's Android review period. So I'm going to put this bad boy up. I might still rock my Apple Watch because it's got the data connection, so I can still rock with it like that. But this will be my daily driver, man. I really, really hope this may pull me away from my iPhone, but we will see. So everybody, let me know in the comment section below what you want to see for me on the Note 9. If you want to see any camera tests or anything like that, let me know. If there's a different video that she keeps trolling me. Let me cut that off. So if there's anything different that you want to see me go over with that Note 9, let me know in the comment section below. But you already know we're going to start heavy with the cases and everything like that. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, man, because I'm going to be killing it with Note 9 content. So hit that subscribe button if you want to know about that Note 9, man, and I'll catch you on the next video. Later.